Leaf Stopper! You're home today!
Leaf Stopper CORROGUARD is a leaf and gutter management system for Australia's most common roof profile. It's available in over 20 colours to closely match your coloured metal roof. Corrofast Saddles ensure a snug fit on top of the corrugation, which prevents leaves and debris from blocking your gutters. The mesh shield is first secured to the front lip of your gutter using patented interlocking trivets. The other end requires expansion cuts to be made, and it's then secured to the roof rib using Corrofast Saddles, leaving no gaps for leaves. Similarly, the Corrofast Saddles hold both sides of the mesh shield on a valley, providing a complete solution. When installed and maintained correctly, you can be confident that your gutters and downpipes will remain clear and unblocked, and water can be efficiently channeled away from your home. Leaf Stopper CORROGUARD is available in two options. You can do it yourself with a Leaf Stopper kit. Everything you need comes conveniently packed in a carton, which includes the roll of mesh, interlocking trivets, Corrofast Saddles and self-drilling screws. Or if you're not confident installing it yourself, fill in the Find an Installer form on our website for a free measuring quote. Our mesh shield for CORROGUARD comes in 3 different types. For more information, visit the Leaf Stopper website. Leaf Stopper has been protecting tens of thousands of Aussie homeowners since 2005. To get the real deal, make sure to ask your provider, is it Leaf Stopper? So for peace of mind and to avoid cleaning out leaves, Leaf Stopper your gutters.
Leaf Stopper! You're home today!